We installed a different battery to the original, but I'll show you which one to use instead, with a full step-by-step battery replacement, info on the battery size, and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. For the bracket, loosen these two nuts completely and unhook the J-bolts down at the base of the battery. Now the battery we used is almost identical in terms of electrical specifications, but I'll share the differences a bit later. This works as an alternative when the original isn't available. The drawback being that the posts are slightly lower, making fitment of the terminal slightly harder. For now, start the installation in the reverse order with the bracket first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. With the battery secure, fit the positive terminal first and make sure to push it down on the post as far as possible. Use a screwdriver to extend the clamps if you need to. As mentioned earlier, the two batteries are almost identical in terms of electricals and battery casing size, but the posts on ours are 25mm lower, so opt for this one instead. There were no warnings on startup. You'll just need to set the time and date. Press the menu button, then setup on the touchscreen, time setup at the bottom, and adjust accordingly. If the one-touch windows don't work, press and hold the button all the way down and hold it down for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each one-touch window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.